Welcome to the Blackboard site for EDU 582 research methods. When you enter the site, you'll be on the welcome screen, which should look similar to this. Here, you'll have quick access to the syllabus. If you click on that link, you'll be able to see the Word version of the syllabus or the PDF version. You can save or print that as you would like. Additionally, I have listed the course description, objectives, and outcomes for your reference. On the left-hand menu over here, you will see the navigation for the course. Again, this is just a quick link to the course syllabus. Also, I know a schedule is important for folks. The course schedule will give you the due dates and the meeting dates for the course as we move through. Those are also listed on the syllabus. Also over here are resources and links to our library guide, and some technology tools. I'll continue to add to this through the course as we go. One of the first things you're going to need to do is you're going to need to introduce yourself. Over here on the introductions page is how to get started with that. We'll be using a Google Plus community, which allows you to record video easily. Some information is provided here for your use, and then from here you should be able to access our Google Plus community and post your introduction once you've accepted the invitation to join. Back here you'll see that the course is divided into units. Inside each unit, you'll see at the top the unit objectives. Then you'll see instructions. And you'll notice in the instructions that there are some that are in blue and some that are not. The ones that are in blue are ones that I am asking that you complete. The ones that are not highlighted are ones that you may find useful or interesting or support your learning. Down below are different folders, and you'll see they're referenced folders. So inside the introduction, you'll find the overview, and then you'll also find the videos that I reference. Down below, you'll see in the paradigms overview, you'll see that there's a video, and again, a quick comprehension check that you're welcome to do if you would like. In the paradigm reading, you'll be able to, from here, open up the files. Okay, and again, you're welcome to read them on the screen, or you can download them to your computer if you prefer, or even print them. At the bottom of each unit, if there is an assignment, you will see it listed. So for this first week, you do have a discussion board assignment. Clicking here will take you directly into that assignment. Right now, there's materials under Unit 1, Unit 2, which again follows the same. You'll notice in Unit 2 there's a lot more optional resources for you to watch based on what you feel you need and your comfort with the material on quantitative research. For these here in green, these are practice exercises. I would suggest that you download them, take a look at them. If you wish to complete them, please do. And I've also given you answer keys. I am not expecting that you submit these for a grade. They're simply to help you monitor your progress. Down below are some folders with additional content on these concepts. And then for this, there is a quiz that goes with this unit. So here you will find the questions. This is some of the data for problems 19 and 20. And then you will find that there is an answer submission sheet. You will find that that downloads onto your computer. You can tell it where to download. And then you can open that in your Word document. That answer key will be what you upload for your assignment. And that will go right here. You will notice if you open Unit 3, 4, and 5 that there are not materials in those units yet, as I will put those up once we're further into the class. In Unit 6, you will see information about our literature review project. This project will span the entire course and is integrated with EDU 5801. Again, I suggest that you open the document that has information about the specifics here, instructions, and rubrics for more information. And then finally, you'll also see Unit 7. Part of this course is about learning and using APA format, and so for that, I've designed some independently paced activities and resources for you to work through. In each folder below, you'll see that there is, again, in green, practice activities. These practice activities you are encouraged to do, and then you can check your answers. And then there's an APA quiz for each of these folders. Again, there's the quiz itself and then the answer sheet. The answer sheet is what you submit for the assignment. I hope that this gives you a brief overview to our course materials and how things are structured. Please feel free to ask questions if there is anything that you need help with.